Hello, hello. Good morning, good morning, and good afternoon. Okay, and good evening if you're about to go to bed regarding the part of the world you are in. Okay, and I see some people coming on already. Hey, Tasmin from South Africa. Salam alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Juma Mubarak to you and Juma Mubarak to all my Muslim brothers and sisters and my amazing friend Esumo Bichooks all the way from Port Harcourt. How is Port Harcourt doing today? I hope the weather is okay in Port Harcourt. And Tasmin, how is the weather in South Africa? I hope it's not so cold. It's here in Nigeria. It's a bit dry. We call it the Hamatan season. Okay, so it's like in between. It's dry and it's cold. Then it's a bit windy. Then it's a bit dusty. So it's one of the seasons that we have here in Africa. And to my brother, it's hot. Whoa. I thought it's going to be cold in South Africa. Hey, Lukman from Osun State. Salam alaikum, brother. How you doing? How is the weather in Osun? I hope it's been fine. Okay, we have the same weather. Okay. Not bad. Okay. So let's get to today's short training. This could be one of the shortest, I hope, but this is going to apply to Nigeria. This tip applies only to Nigeria. So pardon me to my audience that are not in Nigeria. Okay, that I'm coming up with a tip that only applies to Nigeria today. It's just a hack that I think at least that can help so many people, entrepreneurs, startups, people that are into passions, people that are into businesses, people that are into people that are into product rendering, people that are into service rendering, as the case may be, and they want to take advantage of the social media space to actually expand their business, to actually stepping up their business to the next level. Okay. And like you guys all know, my mission is to help as many people out there leverage the digital space, leverage the online space, leverage the social media space to reduce their cost, to increase their sales, and to improve visibility, awareness, and at the long run, profits. Okay. So here is something that I'll be sharing with you today. It's something that has never, ever been taught for the Nigerian market. I repeat, it has never and ever been taught by the Nigerian market. So this is going to help people that leverages the social media space for their business, or people that are thinking of using the social media space for their business. Like I've said in my past trainings, for you to step up your business within the social media space, it is important that you have your own passion page, you have your own business page for free. And once you have your own business page, there are going to be different tools attributed to that your page. One of those is the Pages Manager. The Pages Manager has so many features incorporated into it. I think during my last training, I spoke about the Messenger feature, which you can actually take advantage of. Okay, I spoke about the calendar feature itself, which you can actually take advantage of. And I've spoken about the advertising platform on social media, which you can also take advantage of. Now, talking about the advertising platform itself, here is where the hack comes in. So, for you to take advantage of advertising platform, you need to make effective posts. Then you can actually extend your post regarding your business, project, passion, as the case may be, to as many audience as you want at little cost, but in a very strategic manner. Now, because when you're boosting your advert, your posts, as the case may be, you are going to be spending dollars. So, meaning that your card is going to be incorporated into your business page. Meaning that as you are running your adverts, when it is due date for you to pay off the service rendered by Facebook, they are going to automatically charge your card. But here's the thing that happens here in Nigeria. What happens here in Nigeria is that we have exchange rates, naira against the dollar fluctuating. And especially now that we're in the seasonal period, okay, and we are also in the political period whereby in a couple of months we'll be going into elections, and coupled with the fact that we are in the seasonal period, okay, people are trying to buy stuff probably from Amazon, from eBay, more importation coming into the country. There is high demand, high need for dollars. Meaning that because there is now high demand for dollars, the rate of exchange rates will skyrocket, it will go up. So normally, let's say if you are spending, let's say probably 350 naira per dollar, you might now be spending 370. Oh, they've taken the light, but I'm going to go on. That's Africa. Okay. Now that the exchange rate, okay, let's say the exchange rate now is between, okay, let's say the exchange rate now, okay, is 350, but because of what is happening now, the exchange rate is likely to go up. And once the exchange rate goes up, it is going to impact people doing business within the social media space. So let's say probably I make a boost of an advert probably for $1, and let's say that is like 350 naira. So if I have to make the same boost around this season, whereby the exchange rate probably has skyrocketed to like 370 naira to $1, meaning that it has increased by 20 naira, that means I'll be spending more. Makes sense, right? I'll be spending more money. Rather than spend 350 naira for $1, I might now be spending, okay, 370 naira for $1. If you understand what I mean. But here is the hack. For you to reduce and take advantage of the exchange rate, this is what you need to do if you are on the social media space. If you are in the social media space and you want to take advantage of the exchange rate, whereby irrespective of the exchange rate increasing, you can still maintain your exchange rate. So let's say the exchange rate right now is like 380 naira to $1, but you've been getting your dollar for like 350 in the past, you can still maintain that same rate. I'm sure the question now will be, how can I maintain a lower exchange rate when an exchange rate has skyrocketed? What you need to focus on is the denomination. Now, there is going to be high demand for dollar, but the high demand for dollar will be on $100 bills. $100 bills. But here's where the tricky part comes in. There will be extremely low demand for denominations such as $1 bill, $10 bills, $20 notes, rather $50 notes. So since you are in the social media space, physical money doesn't matter to you. What matters is how much you are going to put in your dollar account. So rather than you join the high rate that needs $100 notes, don't do that. Instead, just go and ask for $1 note, $10 note, $5 note, $20 note, $50 note. So let's say you need $500 in all to pay into your dollar account. Rather than ask for 5 notes of 100, 100, 100, 100, $100 notes, don't do that. Ask for notes that people don't want, which is like $1 notes, $5 notes, $10 notes, $20 notes, $50 notes. Those are in extremely low demand. So because they are in low demand, this is going to put you in a position of power with the people you are getting dollar from, meaning that you can now negotiate a lower exchange rate with them. So even if the exchange rate is going for 380 naira, you can get your exchange rate for 350 naira or 360 naira because of the denomination you are focusing on. And because you are focusing on this denomination, which is extremely in low demand, it will put you in a position of power to actually negotiate lower. So if you're now able to negotiate lower, what that means is that you'll be saving costs and you'll be reducing your money. So rather than you spend 380 naira to $1, you will actually be spending 350, 355 naira or 360 naira per $1 because you are now in a position of what? Power in terms of negotiation. Okay, so this is something I want to share with you out there towards helping you to reduce your cost. And apologies that we are back. I was about to apologize for the power break in transmission. This is Africa. We are just getting there. And that's something I love about doing live. You see the reality of what is actually happening. So now let me now give you a recap. In simple terms, for people that are taking advantage of the social media space, taking advantage of business pages, taking advantage of advertising platforms, okay, what they need to do is simple. Because if they have to boost, if they have to advertise whatever product, especially during this holiday period whereby people are buying stuff, okay, and probably they want to take advantage of what is happening out there, okay, they are going to need dollars. And because there is high demand for dollars, as regards what is happening in Nigeria right now, politics is around the corner, elections are around the corner, the holidays are around the corner and all that, exchange rate is going to skyrocket. But here is the hack, here is the trick. Okay? Because you are working in the social media space, it doesn't matter what denomination you are going for. What counts is the digits that is going to be in your account. Okay? Now, say you need $500 to actually make a post. Okay? And exchange rate has skyrocketed from 350 to 380 naira per dollar. This is what you can do. When you want to purchase the dollar, don't ask for 100 naira notes. Ask for $1. Don't ask for $100 notes. Ask for denominations such as $1 notes, $5 notes, $10 notes, $20 notes, $50 notes. Why? Because those denominations are in extremely low demand. Nobody wants to be going about with so many notes in his pocket. But because you are doing your own passion, your own business in the online space, it doesn't matter. What counts is the amount of figures in your dollar account. So what that means is that that is going to put you in a position of negotiation whereby people that you are purchasing the dollar from, you ask for $1 note, $5 note, $10 note, $50 notes. Because it is in low demand, you can negotiate with them that, hey, I'm not getting this at 380. I'm getting it at 350 or 355 naira. And because they know they need to get rid of those notes, because people don't ask for them, and this is holding their own cash down, they will negotiate with you and you will be able to have a good exchange rate. So at the end of the day, you might now be able to probably spend $360 or $355 and you would have saved your cost rather than you spend $380. I mean 380 naira per dollar rather. Okay? Hey Maxwell, thanks for tuning in. I appreciate your time. Okay? So with that, instead of you spending 380 naira for $1, you will now be spending 350, 355, 360 naira to $1 because you've only asked for denominations of dollar that is in extremely low demand. So with this, you'll be able to actually save what? Save your cost regarding your current cost, the money that you use daily within the social media space towards pushing your business to the next level. So I hope this has been able to add value to you, especially if you're in Nigeria, because I actually did this strictly for Nigeria. Okay. And if you feel this makes a whole lot of sense, you can go ahead to share it. Okay. And if you feel you still want to have access to some of my other trainings, some of my other coachings, do let me know. I'll be more than happy to share them with you absolutely for free. Zero naira is zero, kobo is zero. So I will be happy to share that with you for free. So let me just give out some shout out to some incredible people. Hey, Tasmin from South Africa, thanks for tuning in. Isumobi Chuk, thanks for tuning in. And Maxwell, thanks for tuning in all the way from the US. I appreciate your time. So I'll be seeing you guys soon and do have an incredible weekend ahead. Bye for now. Cheers.